Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm so excited to try out this MAC mascara. It's called the MACCSTACK Mascara, and I got this little sample here in my July 2022 Ipsy Glam bag, which if you have not seen that unboxing video yet, that is up here on YouTube. So the full size of this retails for $28, and I love MAC mascaras. The ones that I've tried before are some of my favorites, so I'm really excited to see how this MACCSTACK version is going to be. It sounds awesome because it's supposed to be flake and smudge proof, give mega lash volume, it won't clump, and I'm very picky with my mascaras, but that sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. I really do want to achieve a lot of volume. And so let's check out this wand. Ooh, yes. So I think this looks like a very promising wand because it gets skinnier at the top. So then maybe it'll be easier to reach those small lashes in like the inner and outer corner or the lower lashes. And it's more of a spiky type of bristle, which I like as well. So I'm very excited to see how this will work for me. I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to just one of my eyes so that we can compare the difference. Ooh. What I noticed right away is that it applies a lot of the product onto the lashes right away, which is actually great to see because it's immediately making a difference, immediately giving volume to the lashes. And the lashes are separated. It's easy to coat all of them. Nice black color. I am actually very impressed with how my lashes look right now with just that first application, because this looks like what some mascaras take literally like 3 layers to achieve. And I love when it can be a very quick application. It definitely seems volumizing. I even am seeing a slight bit of lift and curl. I have very straight lashes, but they're looking a little lifted, which I'm very happy to see. But it's not the most lengthening. So I'm going to try and like tap at the ends of the lashes to try and build up that length. But I feel like at first it's kind of hard to get the mascara to actually stick on the tips of the lashes. But oh my gosh, like I have never actually wanted to stop layering up my mascara this quickly. Like I'm already so impressed with how my lashes look. So I just can't wait to see how this is going to layer up. And I barely got the tiniest little bit of mascara on my eyelid and it very easily brushed away, which I'm very happy to see. It didn't smudge, just like it claims that it doesn't. I'm going to definitely layer it up. But before I do so, I'm going to apply it to the lower lashes. And let's see how that works. Ooh, it is easy to get the lower lashes because as you can see, I'm using the skinnier part at the top of the wand. Oop, got a little bit on my under eye here. So we'll test and see if I can let that dry down and then dust it away. But a perfectly fine lower lash mascara. Darkens the lashes, makes them show up, and that's really all I'm trying to do on my lower lashes. But on these top lashes, I am trying to achieve ultimate volume, falsy lash look. So let's see how I can layer this. I mean, it's already looking so good. The lashes are still staying separated, no clumping, but I'm able to get more volume. Oh my gosh. I really like this wand too. It feels like it can really comb through the lashes nicely. And I can reach every lash. Like these outer corner lashes are so hard to reach, but just using the top of the wand, I can get them and oh my goodness. I love how my lashes look. I love that they're staying separated, not sticking together. So I think I really am able to stop right here because this is literally that ultimate volume. I was looking for my lashes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Seriously, it is a falsy effect. So I'll just give you a zoomed in view of with it versus without it. I love how my mascara is looking. Let's see if it's been long enough that I can just brush away this mascara on the lower lash line. Yes, oh my goodness. I am so glad to see that because it's not smudging. And when mascara does smudge, I always end up with like a mark right here from like smiling and my cheeks rubbing up against my lashes there. But oh my gosh, that just wiped away completely clean. And that was a pretty big clump of mascara that I got on my under eye. But oh, I love that too. This is seriously everything I look for in my mascaras. I am so excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead now and apply it to the other eye. My gosh, it looks like completely like a different person's lashes when I look at this eye versus this eye without it. What a crazy difference. And it's seriously like the fastest to like layer up, or like the fastest volume to achieve on my lashes from a mascara that I feel like I've ever tried. Like, how is it giving such immediate amazing volume when other mascaras I literally have to sit here and layer and layer and layer for it to even look like this. I'm so glad I got to try this out in the sample size through Ipsy because I definitely want the full size of this, and maybe I'll be able to get a deal in Ipsy shop or maybe even BoxyCharm, because $28 is expensive for a mascara. But at least if you are going to spend that on this mascara, it is so good. I seriously have no complaints at all about this. All right, and I just love brushing mascara through my lashes and layering it up, but I'm going to stop myself right there because I love how my lashes look. Like, this is what I tried to achieve, and I've achieved it. So if you have tried this out, maybe you got it in your Ipsy Glam bag as well, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of it, because I hadn't heard all great things about this, but I am absolutely impressed by this. I love this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.